Hi folks, I wanted to make a quick video on adding words to Unity sequenced. I am here in Unity 28 sequenced, but no adding vocabulary to 36 or 45 or 60. It's going to be the same. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is add a name to the names page. So I'm going to select it here. So you look for that name tag. And then find a white key, and this is where we will add, I'm going to add the family dog Rover. So I need to take a picture of Rover first, so I'm going to head into the toolbox. And then bottom here is the camera menu. I will frame the picture, take the picture, save it as an icon. I'm going to rename that picture, clear out the display first, and then type Rover. To say OK, and then say OK again, and my picture will be an import. So at this point I have taken my photo. I'm going to come back out to my vocabulary, and then you want to navigate to the key that you want to edit. Look at it but don't touch it, and then select your setup key and select the blank key that you want to modify. I'm going to say change icon. Here's that imports folder. It's always going to be the last folder. I'm going to go in there and find Rover. Rover is in all caps, so I usually program with icon first, then message, then label. So I'm going to do the message because I don't want it in all caps. I find all caps hard to read, and everything someone says in AAC is also a literacy cue. Always make sure after the message you put a space after the last character. And I'm going to say OK, and the label looks good, so I'm going to say OK again. The next thing people do is typically customize favorite foods. So I'm going to come here to the apple. These 4 locations right here would be the person's real favorite foods. And then there's always a page for or more real estate for adding more favorite foods. So here I'm going to select the apple first. Remember, in Unity sequenced, it's going to take 2 hits to say a word. In 1 hit, when I hit the apple, it's going to say eat, and the top row is going to change. In sequence, I'm going to hit that apple. I'm going to get a variety of different parts of speech. I'll get verbs, adjectives, noun, category, and then all of my specific nouns. So on this location right here, I'm going to put the word pizza. Be looking at that key, but don't touch it. If you touch it, it'll close to home. Select your setup key, and right here. And then once again, icon message label. So I'm going to search for pizza. I'm going to say OK. Select the picture of pizza, and the message is good and the label is good. So I am just going to say OK at this point. If I want to add something to the My Foods page, I'm just going to navigate there. Once again, be looking at the key you want to change, but don't touch it. Hit your setup key, and this time I'm going to add lobster. Okay, and there's my picture of lobster. Message is good and label is good, so I am all set. The other things people customize typically in Unity sequenced vocabulary. If you're in 60 or 84, there'll be a me activity in this top row. In 28, we don't have that real estate, but we do have an about me page, and this is typically something that individuals will customize as well. So we want this.
My name is.
We want to complete that sentence. So once again, be looking at the key and then select the setup key. Select the key you wish to modify. I'm going to keep that picture of the name tag. I will change the message. Type the name, period, make sure you put a space. And I do need to change the label. I don't want it to say name, I want it to say Sally. And say OK. So now I am all set there, and the key is customized.
My name is Sally.
Okay, I think that should do it. So that is how you add both photos, words, and phrases to the system.